Good morning, I'm Pete.
Good afternoon, I'm Matt.
We reversing the car the other day, noticed something a little bit interesting in that one of the rear lights is
Like
full of water. Yeah, full of water. So a quick job, we're going to get that fixed because the light currently isn't working either, so a bit of a hazard.
No, brake light's not on, so main thing is to get the brake light done, but also drain the swimming pool.
Yeah. Trusty plank is out because there's no boot catch, so hazardous. Resting on a washer. I didn't even notice I had my head in there before.
Guillotine.
It's also really windy as well, so hopefully the mics work, but
Yeah.
this is what we're dealing with. So we're going to try not to remove the battery and try and get around that for the time being, because we still want that to get looked at by someone a little bit more pro than us, don't we?
Yeah, this little bolt at the back, we're going to struggle to get a ratchet in, so we're just going to
be delicate.
try and get it off. Wonder if we'll get a shock if we touch that.
Potentially.
I know.
Who knows?
Missing the luxury of a ratchet. It's like using a screwdriver instead of a drill.
I noticed you've gone for the 3 easy bolts before we get to the one.
I am definitely saving the worst of that.
Good.
There we go. Right, it should come straight out. Definitely been some water damage in there.
Yeah. There we go. We're out.
So I can't see anywhere there where the water ingress could have happened, can you?
No, I mean you've got like debris and stuff, but it's all that's like warped, to be fair, because it looks like maybe getting a bit of water in there.
But that's a fair enough amount of water in the light. I don't know where it all could have come from.
That feels better. They was going to think you're having a piss.
Okay, I need to go for a piss. Hopefully this fits. I don't even
We're trusting Lucas.
presume it was the right one. Lucas, as you said, had our back. So
Yeah, he's, well, yet to be seen. There's no broken seals. There's not even really any trace of, where the water could be leaking through.
yeah, strange.
Is this
Let us know if any
yeah.
of you have had the same experience, because it's not like a little bit of water, as you've just seen.
Yeah. If this is a common problem, I wonder where it's getting from.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try it back in and we'll give it a test.
That could have been bad. Nearly went under the wood.
Nearly went under the floorboards.
I've touched it, it's fine. No one's getting electrocuted. I was curious. Alright.
Okay, so with a bit of luck, that's going to light up and I hope it's not corroded to death.
Let's find out, yeah. It's really like you hit the brake and the indicator comes on for some obscure reason. No, mate.
No.
No. Oh yeah, we're on. Yes!
Did it not work at first?
Yeah, it's
though?
working.
Did it not at first though?
I think I was looking at what. Oh no, it's not. It's working
Yeah?
every time.
Yeah, let me whack it in.
I don't know whether, because when I touched it, moved it, I think I maybe.
Yeah, it must be like a loose connection on it, faulty connection. Yeah, see, it's not working now. Yeah, it's just a dodgy wire, but I think we can sort that. It might just need a little solder or something. So, another job done. Kind of.
I'd say that was well done.
Put the boot holder back.
Trusty plank.
I wondered why this was here.
We've literally just dropped it to get a few photos.
It's insane under there.
Oh my god. Yeah, that is low. Alright, well that was literally over in a matter of minutes.
Yeah.
Turns out there's easy job, and it turns out there's some faulty wiring maybe, because it's intermittent, isn't it now? But
yeah, it's funny. You might just need the wire sorting out a little bit, maybe soldering in or something. Bit of corrosion on the connectors, so could be something to do with it, but it's working enough for now. It might be a bit intermittent, but we can deal with it.
Keep testing. We've got more of a light in there than we did in the first place anyway, so that's a bonus. So another thing ticked off the list.
Yep, so a couple of things lined up next. Getting the battery done, as we keep saying.
Yeah, the battery's an important issue now.
Yeah, we want to get that done.
Skirt around that just to get that done, so.
Yeah, and then we're potentially going to do a cold air feed as well through the front.
Yeah, we were just talking about that.
Yeah.
Relatively cheap to do, lots of fun. We don't need the fogs in the front, do we?
No, it'll give us an excuse to get the bumper off as well and try and put it back on, aligned a bit better. So we'll talk you through why that's going to be easier on the next video.
Yeah, absolutely.
To do that and fix the fog, because we discovered something else as well.
Yeah, so. This is like the gift that keeps on giving this guy. Like, another thing ticked off the list, and I suppose we'll see you on the next one.
Yep, see you again. Thanks
Cheers,
for watching.
guys.
Bye. Oh, why did I say bye?